Alright, so my dear friends and family, hopefully all are doing well. Alhamdulillah, you're having really good time, and I am having great time. So we should say Alhamdulillah for everything. You should say Alhamdulillah for everything. And look at this. Today I have come on over the top and I'm just making a video for you guys. And today in this video, I would love to share with you how you can develop your English speaking skill. So we all know grammar, we all know rules, definition, and every teacher teach you grammar, rules, definition, and as a result, you are depending on others. So dear brothers and sisters, if you really want to speak English, if you really want to upgrade your English, you must do hard work. Without hard work, nothing is possible. I try to understand you in this video. The thing is so important. How you can upgrade your English language. And lots of brothers send me lots of messages. They said, brother, please tell me what is the secret to learn English. So every day I get so many questions like this. So dear brothers and sisters, if you really want to speak English, you have to practice by yourself. No one can motivate you. No one can help you. No one can teach you. Still you don't take your responsibility. So you have to take your own responsibility. No one take your responsibility. So mind it and always remember it. You have to think about it, and this is so necessary. This is so important for your life, for my life, for everyone's life. So this is the thing I try to understand you. So please, if you really like my video, please let me know. And some people criticize you. I know very well. Some people are ignorant. So this is the nature of learning. This is the nature of something to do. That means you are doing something new, brother. And lots of brothers say they are doing bad work. So you noticed one thing very clearly. They are working their works. So why you feel shy? Why you feel so disappointed? Why I feel so nervous? Leave it. Damn it. Just focus on yourself and keep going. All the best.